Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we have had this vehicle turn up. This is a 2025 Peugeot and it is the Consort Pace. It's probably a name you might not be familiar with. We do see all different makes and models in through the door here, and we don't remember all of them, but we are now seeing the new breed of 2024 onwards for the Fiat, Peugeot and Citroën front grille. And that basically means a lot more plastic and a different way of doing things. They wanted this new facelifted model to stand out from the crowd. Those of you who follow us on YouTube, don't worry, there are now solutions for the laser lights for the newer style grilles. We've seen them for the Peugeot, we've seen them for the Fiat, we've seen them for the Citroën, so I can't imagine the Peugeot one is far behind. But if you see any of the vehicles on the road with these newer style grilles on them, then you know that they are 2025 models, maybe late 2024. Now this particular customer is booked in for quite a bit of work. We are fitting, and very excitedly fitting, our new premium triple audio package. So the triple audio package that we sell, supply and install for 1399. Well, a customer of ours asked a little while ago, look, I follow you on your other channel and you've done this and this and this. Can we have that on mine? And I said, well, hang on, that's a really good idea. Why don't we add a new triple audio package into the mix? Now, this triple audio package is 1999, and for that 1999, so it's a bit of a jump up in price. You still get the 8-inch Alpine subwoofer that fits under the drinks holder. You still get the Eton door speakers and dash tweeters, but we're doing 3 layers of stage sound deadening on the doors. So you're going to get the outer skin done, but fitted from the inside. You're going to get the stage one that we would normally do on the actual window regulator panel, and then on the back of the plastic door card we're putting a sound wave or noise absorber that's going to really massively reduce road noise when you're driving, and also allow the speakers to get the best environment for them to perform. Not only are we doing that, because this customer is having his factory fitted Fiat radio removed, picture above me now, then we are fitting the Alpine Halo 11, but this customer has gone for the dedicated Alpine Halo swivel fitting kit from Alpine. So basically that means it's a screen that's in a bracket that allows you to move left and right, so it suits the driver for maybe sunnier conditions or for navigating and other such stuff. So Alpine Halo 11, but with the genuine Alpine fitting kit, and that's the swivel. We're also going to fit a dedicated amplifier, not just the SWA 150 kit that originally came with the triple audio. This is going to do a bit more. This is going to power the Eton speakers and power the sub, but from a combined unit that's a little bit of a powerhouse, and that is made by Phoenix Gold. Now, Phoenix Gold have been around for a long time, fantastic audio equipment. We've been looking for a long time now for a small footprint amplifier that's a bit of a powerhouse. This amplifier can power the sub easily and power the 2 front speakers easily as well. So this whole new triple audio package is going to be very exciting, but during our install you're going to see lots of footage of us, of what we're doing, how we're doing it, and even probably me talking through it a little bit as well, because this is all new and exciting to us. So join back soon and we'll give you an update. guys, and welcome back to the video. So this is it. This is the first vehicle leaving the Motorhome Retrofits workshop with our new premium audio system. I keep calling it that. It's not. It's our triple audio package, but it's the premium edition of this. Now, this is a 2025 Peugeot. At the beginning of the video, I told you what it's in for. We've now got the Alpine Halo 11, which is the F115D 11-inch digital media system. It's fitted with the genuine Alpine swivel kit, telephone, steering wheel integration. We've also then got the triple audio package, but the premium. Now that basically means that we have done 3 layers of sound deadening. This is now solid. I don't know if you can hear that on the video because we normally play music anyway, but this is really tinny and this is now solid. Jason's been really hard at work and he has sound deadened here, which you'll see on the video. We then apply a second stage of sound deadening onto the window regulator panel where your main metalwork is. It's also where the area that the speaker gets mounted to. We then upgrade the speaker, upgrade the tweeter up on the dashboard, and then on the back of the plastic door card we've then got this sound wave, eggshell sound wave of noise absorber that when the door card goes back onto the door it compresses and that soaks up all the unwanted noise, also massively reducing road noise from the 3 different layers. So that's the premium. But the interesting bit is what you see in here doesn't actually differ to what we do on a daily basis. The triple audio package has already been a huge success for us, and that was built on an offering that wasn't very good. We made it much better, but now we've made it even better. Now, as I said at the beginning of the video, if you're not techie, you can glaze over now and zone out. But with the standard triple audio package, the amplifier that comes with it is what they call speaker level line out. So you would effectively have the speaker cable inputs connected up to the main speaker feeds. It's not connected via low level, which is RCA. On this particular setup, what we have done is we've introduced a Phoenix Gold amplifier. The Phoenix Gold amplifier is connected via RCA, which goes to the back of the aftermarket head unit. And I use the word aftermarket because you can't just go fitting amplifiers and wanting to do low level audio if you've got a factory head unit. You can buy converters. They do create a bit of noise. They're a little bit, they're what we call a bit dirty. I would suggest that if you're going for an aftermarket head unit, this is the way to go, but do get in touch with us because we can advise you on that. This customer had said to me, look, I want your triple audio package, I want the premium, and I want an aftermarket head unit, and I want to go for the Alpine. Great, well, let's go for the Alpine setup. So the Phoenix Gold Phoenix Gold amplifier, it's connected to the same under drinks holder 8-inch Alpine sub. It's even got still its own bass control knob on the right hand side of the driver's side there, which we'll show you anyway. And what it also means now is if you do want more bass or less bass, you can adjust it through the head unit, which you've never been able to do before. There's been no control. It's just been maximum or minimum, that's about it. Now, if you want, you might find some of the music you listen to, you require more bass. We set it up to a really happy medium of turn it down, it's off, halfway is acceptable, maximum is pretty good, but it's up to you. You know, music is subjective. So you can now go into the Alpine settings or aftermarket head unit settings and adjust your subwoofer control if you want a bit more oomph out of it. So really pleased with this. This customer is going to be chuffed to bits. We have already noticed the difference. It's got a lot more oomph, it's got a lot more power, and it's really clean. So this is the beginning of how we're going to evolve the premium audio package, because the premium audio package was designed for 3 stages of sound deadening and a swap out of the Alpine amplifier, which worked and it's been brilliant and it still is brilliant, but we wanted to offer a bit more for people that really enjoy their music, and they're the people that are going to say, I want the premium. So the difference being is we've done three layers of sound deadening instead of one, and we swapped out the amplifier for a bit more punch. That's about it. Well, join me inside quickly. We'll have a chat about the Halo 11 digital media receiver and go from there. Now, because this is a brand spanking new vehicle, it's really clean and tidy in here, plus it's empty, and the customer said to me when he delivered it, he said, oh, I've emptied all the bits and pieces, which is great, because otherwise we're working through people's bits and pieces in their door cards and whatnot, and this is really, really clean because it's so new. So this is the Alpine Halo 11. Ordinarily, you would be able to adjust the tilt position, but because this customer's gone for the genuine Alpine swivel, you can adjust it towards the driver or the passenger, like so. And again, it's an Alpine designed kit. They obviously find it's popular because whenever I go to order it, I have to wait a couple of weeks, so that's a good sign. Now, the Halo 11 is the digital media system, so there's no navigation built in, but you can add navigation by plugging in the Alpine Navi stick to the dual USB that we've got here. The black one is for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and this is for the USB or for charging or for the Navi stick, so you can add full-blown navigation onto here. What I'm going to do, just in the meantime, I'm just going to plug my phone in, like so. Let's pop the key in the ignition. Okay, probably just find that the lights have gone off a bit, so apologies for that. Let's plug my phone in. So that would just boot up to wired Apple CarPlay. There's no point in me setting my phone up because we're going to be doing it for the customer in a bit. Let's go into Spotify now. Okay, so we've got some London Grammar on, which has got some really, really crisp vocals and really, really low bass frequencies to really test the subwoofer out, just to turn it up and really have a good listen to everything that this system now performs. Now, Richard, who's my workshop manager, he really has a very varied, eclectic taste in music, and he's gone through a few of his instrumental and very bassy stuff to some classical, and we're really, really impressed with this Phoenix Gold amplifier. So please do get in touch with us if you're interested in this new premium triple audio package, and then in combination with an aftermarket head unit, so please do get in touch. Website links in the bio, and follow us on social media if you don't already. If you haven't watched any of our other videos on YouTube, please do. If you already do, then thank you and keep watching. That's it, and we'll see you next time.